Kgotso, Zion Conquerors Church ZCC. Zion Conquerors Church ZCC ke kereke mpya e thomileng ho tlhaella ka di 6 tsa December 2025. Zion Conquerors Church ke kereke e leng hore e kgethilwe ho tloa legodimong. So Zion Conquerors Church ke kereke e leng hore e tlo sokolla masioni a mantši. Modimo o rapeliwa a le nnoši fela, a mixiwe gore modimo o na ne tsela nnete le bophelo ya ho mo rapela, mo e leng hore John 14 verse 6 e re rutile hore Jesu ke ena tsela nnete le bophelo. Say kgotso.
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 Ayate.
Ayate.
Kgotso.
Kgotso.
Ayate mfana.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. I've been seeing this video for the previous week, you guys, and there is currently this guy who goes by the name Zion_1, you guys, and he claims to be a member of the Zion Christian Church, particularly the Star one, the one of course that is led by Bishop Lekganyane, you guys. And this guy has been doing videos there on TikTok. You can see him wearing like what do you call this, a beret, and it has the star on, which he took of course from the badge. You guys, somebody asked this guy what his intention is, because he had been posting, before he posted this video whereby he details everything, he had been posting saying that he intends on starting his own church, you guys. And yeah, he says that the new ZCC church, which he himself has decided to form, is called the ZCC also, you guys, and his abbreviation is the Zion Conquerors Church, you guys. He says that for him, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. He says that he does not, is not, forgetting the fact that Bishop Lekganyane is the leader, is the main leader. As a matter of fact, I went through his profile, guys, and he states out there that yes, I am from the Zion Christian Church, and Lekganyane is my leader, but I've decided to start something of my own, which is called the Zion Conquerors Church. Now, you guys, he's not the first person to try to branch out of the ZCC Church. I mean, we did see Oshiro Lekganyane, who started his own church, also the ZCC, the abbreviation meaning, of course, the Zion Creationist Church, and this guy decided to do so. And of course, he has received a lot of backlash in the comment section of people saying that he disrespects the main leader, Barnabas Bishop Lekganyane. They are saying that he's been very much disrespectful, and how could he use the star? I mean, he took the star from the badge and then he put it on his beret. People are saying, why don't you start something different and leave the ZCC name, leave the ZCC regalia, start something of your own? Why don't you do that? That's what people were saying. What do you guys think about the new church? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. And of course, do like this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.